folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and this is a little Mountfield SP414. Now the SP stands for self-propelled, and even though it's a great little machine, there is a problem with these, and it all comes down to the rear wheels. When you engage the drive, they spin and they get worn down badly. This one come in because the customer said, oh yeah, the wheels got damaged, can you repair it? When it has chunks like that taken out of it, it's time for a new wheel. And luckily I found a place that supplies replacement wheels. So let's replace a wheel. This is the part number for replacement wheel. I'll change it over to the other one. Right, so I'll put it in the description, but that's the part number needed to order. It says wheels, comes with bush, and that was ordered recently. So anyway, how do this ring here come off the wheel? Well, on the back you can see there's a little lug, and all you do, it doesn't matter if you break it, because the simple fact of the matter is the that doesn't matter because it's on the wheel, but you can just put it in there, pop it up, get the next one, screwdriver again there, put it down there, pops it up again, in there, bend it back, pops it up again, dum dum, and there you are. There is your drive wing and your knackered wheel separated. I'll give this a quick wipe over before inserting it. It's fairly clean. Now when it comes to reinserting this ring into the wheel, there are some slots on the back and they line up with these sections here. So all you do is you just put it down over that and it will fit down. Now turn it over, and where those little lugs are, just gently push them in, and that one's located. Next one, push it in. Next one, push it in. Next one, push it in. Go around, make sure this is located and all those lugs are in there, and hey presto, you've now got a rear tyre. So you've now got a rear tyre with tread. Now I've just got to do the other one. Oh, that's the two rear tyres fitted, and they do look nice. So there you are folks, that's how to swap out and replace your knackered rear wheels, the badly worn out wheels on your little Mountfield SP414. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, hit the like, and if you found it was even better, hit the like and subscribe button. So until next video, take care folks, and be safe. Bye.